I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power the TV and ensure your controller or PC is connected to the correct HDMI input. Once done, pick up the Samsung Smart Remote and press Home to open the Smart Hub. This gets you straight to the menu where game mode lives. Make sure the source is active on screen so the TV recognizes the signal. If you have multiple HDMI devices, note the HDMI number for the connected console so you can switch inputs quickly during the next steps. Now navigate into Settings and choose General, then External Device Manager. On some models, you'll use Picture and additional settings instead. Select Game Mode Settings and toggle Game Mode on. This reduces input lag by bypassing certain image processing. If you see Auto Low Latency Mode, ALM, and your console supports it, enable that so the TV switches automatically when it detects gameplay. Make sure to save changes and return to your HDMI source, so the new mode applies to the finish by testing responsiveness. Press buttons and note faster reactions, which confirms game mode is active. If you notice washed-out colors or HDR differences, adjust picture mode, backlight, or HDR settings to balance quality and speed. If game mode fails to engage, restart both the TV and console, try a different HDMI cable or port, and confirm firmware is up to date. One key troubleshooting tip. Enable ALM on the console and game mode on the TV together so they hand off automatically for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.